Welcome to Perth, the vibrant capital of Western Australia. In this video we're sharing our last night in this beautiful city and a recent stay from February this year, staying at the Crown Plaza Hotel on the Terrace, right across from Langley Park. Let's take you on a journey through the sights and sounds and experiences that made this evening brilliant for us. After checking in at the Crown Plaza, we headed straight over the road to Langley Park, sprawling green space that stretches along the Swan River. This park is perfect for a leisurely stroll, offering stunning views across the river to South Perth. It's a favourite spot for locals and visitors alike. We crossed further across the road to the Swan River, which is the heart of Perth, winding its way through the city and creating a picturesque backdrop for outdoor activities. As we walked along the riverbank, we soaked in the serene atmosphere and admired the views of South Perth's skyline. Our walk led us to Elizabeth Quay, a vibrant waterfront precinct that's a hub of activity. Here you can watch ferries come and go, explore unique architecture, discover local artwork. One of the highlights is the striking sculpture. It resembles a giant paperclip. It's called Spander, and it symbolises connection and unity. There you can see a Spander there in the background. We had great weather the whole time we were in Perth, and this night was no different. I think most days it was about 32, 33 degrees, very dry, very hot for us. We're from Sydney, it's a different kind of heat over here in this side of the country. It was a completely different experience for us. One of the things that we really love when we visit other cities is local street art and local murals. And Perth had this one in the Elizabeth Quay precinct. There's another one that you'll see later in the video that's closer to where we were staying back on the terrace. There's the giant paperclip Spander. After wandering around Elizabeth Quay for a bit, we headed back and started to return along the river and through the park a little bit back to our hotel room. Of course, there's a really unique architecture in some of the buildings. The sun was starting to go down. Here's the other mural I was talking about. This is just like a local football field, I guess. It's like facilities for change rooms and things like that. We returned to our hotel room just in time to catch the sunset over the Swan River. The view from our room was breathtaking, with the golden hues of the sunset reflecting off the water and the park below. Our Perth adventure concluded the next morning with one last look across the pool and Langley Park to the Swan River. It was a perfect way to say goodbye to this great city. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Perth. From the tranquil Swan River to the lively Elizabeth Quay, this city has so much to offer. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel adventures, and we'll see you in our next video.